Today we will see how to form a matrix in R. For that, let us have an idea what does a matrix mean. Matrix is a set of numbers arranged in rows and columns so as to form a rectangular array. In the example, we have m rows and n columns. Here, the order or dimension of the matrix is m by n. When we write the order of the matrix, first we put the number of the rows, then we put the number of the columns. Here the entries are A11, A12 and so on. And if we have m equal to n, then we can say that we have a square matrix of order n, or dimension of the square matrix will be n by n. Now, let us see how to form a matrix in R. Hello friends, today we will see how to form a matrix in R. For that, let us take a matrix X of order 2 by 2. To form the matrix in R, the code will be, we will use the function array, then we have to put the data. Since the matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns, so dimension will be 2, 2. Now coming to our first example, here the matrix A is of order 2 by 2. And the code for forming the matrix in R is array, then we will put the data. Then since we have 2 rows and 2 columns, hence the dimension will be 2, 2. If we run the code in R, then we will get our matrix. Now coming to our second example, here we have a matrix B. The order of the matrix is 2 by 4. The code for forming the matrix in R is array, then we will put our data. The dimension will be, since we have 2 rows and 4 columns, so the dimension will be 2, 4. First we have to write the rows, then we will write the column. If we run the code in R, then we will have our matrix. Thank you. Hope you have learned something new from the video. Thank you.